What it do, YouTube? We're back. We're back, man. Oh, man, if you seen the last car vlog, you know today was 85 South show, man. I ain't gonna waste no time posting this. As soon as I get into the house, quick edit, upload, eat. It's gonna be public real soon, man. Man, appreciate all the love I've been getting. I appreciate everybody tuning into the bowling vlog I did earlier. I had a little bet with the chat. Go see the results. You know, I had $50 online with chat. But yeah, man, it was a great show. I ain't gonna lie. DC, Carlos, and Chico, hey, y'all some wild boys, man. And Unc, they look like Juvenile. That man was switching sides. Like, when it was just DJs playing, like went from DJ from Breakfast Club and stuff and went to Manny Fresh, he was like right by me in the front row. I was second row, but you feel me? It was like front row, you feel me? Second row from the stage. But yeah, Unc was over there when they was playing music. He was over there. He like, man, this the club right here. Yeah, this a concert, really. This ain't a comedy show. When Carlos, DC, and Chico came out, this man on the other side of the stage now. So it's like 4 front row sections. So you got the 2 that is, you got 1 directly in the middle. Then you got the 2 that's on, cause it got like a walkway. So you got like 2 on the side of that walkway. Then you got 1 in the front. Then you got 2 more on the side, 1 more on each side of the other one, so it's like 5 front rows. He came in between me and that other front row to the right of us. I mean, like floor seats. I know what I meant. He was over there first. Then when they came out, he on the other side trying to get their attention. Like, just like soon as they came out, then they like, man, go to your seat, man. We ain't trying to talk to you this whole time, man. Go to your seat. And they was like, man, he ain't got no ticket, man. That man just snuck in here. That man ain't got no ticket or no seat. That man walked all the way back around to where my side was. Okay, he walked a long way down. Then he finally just walked around and he came back down. Then he couldn't find his seat. He really couldn't find a row, because when you're on the flow, you got to count at that point. Like, you row 1, row 2, it don't have nothing. And like, even to know your seat, cause I picked the wrong seats at first when I sat in, because it was 5 seats in our row, and it was like I was 1, 2, so it was like 1, 2 is either on this end or the other end. That's how it's gonna go. So then I just asked security, I said, hey, is this seat 1 and 2 or 4 and 5? Like, which one is it? And he was like, I don't know. You just lift up that seat next to you and look under it, and it'll say. The girl I was with lifted up the seat. That thing said 4 for 2. But it was like another security guard. He lifted up the seat right behind me, and it said 5. So he said, oh, 1 and 2 gonna be on that end. I was like, but y'all got seat 4 where 2 is. Like, was that on accident? Like, did somebody not know how to count? They went 1, 4, 3, 2, 5. Like, hey man, they got 2 and 4. They was like, hey, it's a 2. It's in the family of 2s. It's an even. But yeah, I was like, man, that was a blessing, because if I would have sat where we were sitting at first, you would have had a hard time seeing them on stage. You couldn't see them. Once they passed over to the left side of the stage, you ain't seen them. That's why I'm glad we scooted down to our right seats. I'm glad I picked the right seats. But yeah, we had a ball, man. DC took us to church on a Sunday. It was somebody, I guess they got extra drunk, so they fell asleep during the comedy show. So they baking him, and then church woke him up, and it was the end of the show. Then they tried to say the girl he was with did something to his drink. That's why he fallen asleep in the show. Well, I ain't gonna say what she did to it, but you know. But you know, it was all fun and games, man. Yeah, I had a great time. If you ain't never been to an 85 South show, you should go. It's not a normal comedy show. It is an interactive. They going with the flow of what's going on, what they see in the audience. It became a routine that somebody is coming to get their attention at the stage. It was even one girl. She wasn't even on the floor. She was in the seats. What do you call them? Stadium seats, whatever. She off the floor, put it like that. She yelled out, talking about, DC, you owe me a rap battle. We supposed to rap battle. He said, we do? When this happened? I don't know you. He was like, man, come on, man. Let's go on a rap battle. And the girl got there talking about 3 rap battles. Man, DC was baking her. Then, shout out to Clayton English and Mafia Moneybag Mafia. Hey, great. Last time I went to 85 South show, they had comedians come up and do like a standard routine. This time they didn't do that. They had Clay English and Moneybag Mafia come up there together, and they basically did with 85 South. They did like improv comedy. So like Manny Fresh came out before them. They came out. They did. They said singing, but some of the dudes sound like that was rapping. You feel what I'm saying? The girls were singing. So they did a sing off, then they did a twerk contest. Ironically, the same person won the singing contest won the twerk contest, and she was late to the intro of the twerk contest. Like, she missed the whole first round, and then she came in for the second round. They just threw it in like, we got a new contestant. She ran out there, 'cause I guess they was trying to like get her the bands and stuff for VIP for her winning the sing off. She ran back out and won again. I was like, how'd she get 2 VIP? But yeah, man. It was a great time, man. Shout out to them. It's a great experience. You never been to one. Like, if you want to be part of the show, you can be part of the show and not hope like, man, I hope he see me the bike. No, you just run to the stage, call him out. One girl was complaining at first, talking about, you're not gonna play with the Lord, cut it out, stop that. And then she got along with it, and she started praising God in there with him. Like, yeah, he got you. That Holy Spirit got to you. Yeah. Yeah, man. Hey, 85. That's my 3rd one. I've been to all 3 of the ones they did here, the last 3. I even went when they was on tour with, they was on tour twice with Mike Epps. More than twice. It was like 4 times. They do it like once a year. I went to 2 of them. I went to the one in like 2021. COVID had us separated. And then I went to the one either in 22 or 23. They kind of went backwards, but I understand kind of why they went backwards. They went from Bridgestone, that is our biggest arena, to Municipal, that is like the little brother arena. Like, Municipal is like, it's bigger than going to a club here. I should pass them right up. But anyways, yeah, Municipal is like going to a club. And it's like the next step after the club scenes here. And then Bridgestone is, you made it. You're a top artist. It's like going to, it's not as big as Staples Center, but it's like, that's what it is. It's like going to the Staples Center to perform. But then if you are a real big dog, the real big dogs, I told you I'm gonna pass them up. If you're a real big dog, you can do the Titan Stadium. That's Taylor Swift and them. That's a whole nother level though. Well, hey man, I appreciate y'all joining me for the little vlog. And I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Godspeed.